should be on Skype. Is that basically what we're saying? This is the way to be a virtual attendee in the, right? Hello, and how long have you been using Skype, Mr. Hartogensis?
2 or 3 years. Ever since the 1970s reunion, Steve wanted us all to kind of hook into this, and I've been using it with friends and family. And if this is being videotaped, you should know that I'm in North Carolina, and so this is going over some distance, and the quality, you can see the quality for yourself.
That's right. And so George will be looking just like this in 5 months. He'll be in North Carolina, and we'll be calling him from Little Board, huh? And we'll
little more hair.
Little more hair. Oh, and you can bring Nancy and Jake as well.
There you go.
All right. Well, thank you for this demonstration of Skype technology, which will greatly benefit our reunion efforts.
Glad I could help.
You and Nino are virtual attendees number 1 and 2.
A lot of people confuse me with Nino.
All right, that's enough there.